Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook walleye fish. We'll cover everything from simple preparation to creating a delicious meal. Walleye is prized for its delicate flavor and firm, flaky flesh, making it a fantastic choice for any home cook. It's incredibly versatile and easy to cook, even for beginners, promising a delightful culinary experience. Proper preparation is key to a perfectly cooked walleye fillet. First, ensure your fillets are completely dry by patting them down with paper towels. This helps achieve a nice crust. Then, season both sides generously with fine sea salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and perhaps a sprinkle of paprika or garlic powder. This simple step truly enhances the natural flavors of the fish. Pan frying is a fantastic way to achieve a delicious, crispy exterior. Heat about 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, in a large nonstick skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned walleye fillets into the hot oil, cooking for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side. The fish is ready when it flakes easily with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer baking or grilling, walleye adapts beautifully to these methods too. For baking, place your seasoned fillets on a lined baking sheet and cook in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes. When grilling, lightly oil your grates and the fish, then cook over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Both methods yield tender, flavorful results without much fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.